Afusa, Rachel. Hi.
Good morning.
All stand, greet.
Good morning. Will you come and sit down? Your mates with good grace are in their various home now.
Yes.
You guys are here telling me, una no get sense. Stressing me with after school tutorial. Maybe we should leave then.
What are you trying to say?
If you are tired, leave. To where? You and who? Who can't they ask you to follow me? We come together. Look at them. Bunch of carryover students. Rubbish. In fact, I know you guys will still carry this course. No matter where you go, Emma carry any. There is no way you are not going to carry it.
There's no two ways about it.
If an inspector should come inside now, what are we going to tell them that we are doing? Hey? My last bomb doesn't need all this coaching because she's okay on her own and she's already in primary 6 now. Very brilliant girl. You guys are here. No shame at all. And you students of this level of class still looking for tutorial up and down. Shame on you. Totally shame. Did you guys even know? It's alright. It's alright. Are you guys mad? Hey? I'm talking, you guys are talking.
Principal.
Who are you to talk back at me? Eh?
Wait, don't say.
Balikis. Ma. I see you, Jare. See, don't mingle with all this riffraff. As you can see that your dad is trying on you. Because I don't understand why their teacher will be talking and they will still be talking back at their teacher. Now they will say I'm shouting that Mrs. Gladys, so she is very wicked. She is this, she is that. I'm awesome.
Continue.
In fact, you people should not worry. I know where to catch you. Everybody, your hand out on your desk. You're so funny. What caused any Oribu now? Why are you guys laughing? She's talking about your handouts, your book. Say you only. I never buy. Alaja did not give me money. No money. So right now, who can explain to us how to cook perfect party jollof rice? Excuse me, ma. We are BISADMI students, not home economics students. You are very, very stupid. How dare you to ask me that question? Are you the one to tell me what to teach? Come and carry the iPad now and tell yourself to Mrs. Gladys.
Pull up.
Recently, we're going to bed. Do you know whether she's hungry? If your mother that is hungry, your great grandfather is the one that is hungry. In fact, stand up and leave my class right away. What nonsense! Wait. What's that matric number? No, so I'll be able to tell you my matric number. Or I should add my NIN number. I should add it there. Don't let me more this. So, I'm out of this class, so we see all the best. It's like where you guys want to follow her.